to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I am Shine and welcome to my haul video. Today I wanted to share with you some of the pieces where I got from Princess Polly. Basically, you're gonna see a lot of my channel haul and makeup videos and hacks and tricks and tips and fashion related and makeup. Vlogs are also something that I wanted to accomplish more often, but let me know down below if you would like that. And then without further ado, let me share with you what I got from Princess Polly. First thing first, don't forget to subscribe and join the family and hit the like and hit the bell so you won't miss out any more videos. So I got this beautiful set which is from Princess Polly, so I'm already wearing it and I love this piece. This set is so nice. As you see, it's like a top, and it's like a bathing suit top actually. Swimwear top, and the material is like a towel material basically, and these shorts coming with this as a set. Let me just come over that you can see what's going on. There's no pockets, which I wish there was because I love shorts with pockets. And yeah, basically that's it. I love it. It's very cute. And yeah, I got a lot of things from Princess Polly, and yeah, that's a big bag. And I think the whole entire haul was like $600. I'm guessing 600 or 700. I'm not sure. But yeah, let's get into the next one. I got this beautiful dress from Princess Polly as well, of course. It's all Princess Polly. And it's florally dress. I think it's very cute for the summertime, and it's nice and airy, and I would pair it with any sneakers and what else, like a slides or whatever. You can really wear it like anywhere, and especially for a beach day or picnic day, this is incredible. Okay, I got this dress. Is also a very airy, beachy dress, everyday kind of vibe, and it's like a flowers. I don't know if you can tell. And the red dots, it's just a perfection. It's a little different material than the other dress, but it's still really nice. And it's kind of like midi dress. It has like an open space here. I don't know how to call it, but you have this adjustable strap that you can adjust to however you want it, and I really like it. It's so pretty. I'm on the size US 4. I wanted it to be a little bit big to have like a room, but I think I could go like size 2, but their size is very small, so I would just get the right size or to just get a little bit of room, because I did buy, it's not my first time buying from Princess Polly, and the last time I got something from Princess Polly, I think it was a skirt, and I thought usually I'm a 0 and 2, but I got 2, and it was not like what I expected, so that's why I would size up in all Princess Polly. This one I already wore one time for one photo shoot, and it was so pretty. This skirt is like so spring, summer vibe, and you see that? Like, do you see these flowers? So beautiful, so colorful, florally, and this one I think it's also size 4. Another skirt I got, and it's, I have this one in a black and white, so it's just, I have this opening right here, which I love because you can see some of your leg here, and I really love it. And this is in a jeans kind of material, and I'm in a size small, and it's really basic, but you need this skirt. It's so pretty, and it's also in a size 4. Okay, I got another skirt which I am obsessed. Wow, this is really pretty. I haven't tried it yet. I can't wait to try it. This is a very beautiful light blue with white flowers and black dots inside. If you can tell, really, really pretty. I am really impressed with it. Another skirt, and it's the same kind of vibe, like the light blue, but this is in beige and white flowers. I think it's gonna go with anything, mostly in my wardrobe. It can go with pink, it can go with all the Snickers vibe. See the white flowers, and you see this material is kind of it's not silky like the other two skirt with flowers. This one is kind of like a cotton. I'm not sure the material, but it's still nice material, and it's also in a size 4. And this beige is just a vibe. I love it. Oh yeah, I got also like a basic tank top, which you know, we all need a lot of these tank tops, basic, and can go with anything, and I just thought it's cute and I needed it. So it's in the size US 2. So for size reference. Oh my god, I love this one. So pretty. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got this. This is like this top, like a very beautiful material, very unique top that goes like a V on here. This top is so nice. You can pair it with everything, and it's such a good top to have. I have this kind of top, but from House of CB, which, you know, House of CB can be a little bit pricey. Well, a lot pricey, okay? But it's a very good material, and I mean, I love this kind of style. So when I saw this poofy sleeves, I was like, okay, I need to get it. And from Princess Polly, it's way cheaper. And I said, okay, I have to give it a try. Even though all my poofy sleeves are from House of CB, that's kind of like their signature look, I guess, for all of their tops and dresses kind of vibe. I love this. This kind of look, and so I had to get it from Princess Polly. This is in the size US 2. Okay, what is that? This is a basic black top, which I thought I need to have in my wardrobe because you can actually pair it with a lot of things. And I have some, but some of them are different material, and I thought this material would be so good for so many outfits that I want to wear it with, and you know, it's just a good basic to have, and it can go with basically anything. Wow, this is very pretty. I'm really excited about this to wear it. Even right now with what I'm wearing, so pretty. This is like a knit material sweater kind of top. I don't know, but I would actually wear it with this open buttons, but it has button all over, and it's in the size US 2. And this is like a really nice knit top in the color mint, which we all love this summer. This color is so trendy and so in right now. I'm obsessed. Look at this dress. This is also in this color mint. This dress is silky kind of material, and with this white and yellow flowers. These are so pretty. I really like it. And it's also the zipper on the side to wear it. This is so nice. I really like it. Wow. Really, I'm obsessed. I told you I'm really loving everything that I got so far. This is the skirt that is the same like the white one that I have and this jeans that I just showed you. And this is in black. And it's open right here. And it's a really nice, beautiful jeans material. So I like it about it. And this is in the size small. This is another dress in kind of an knitty material, kind of like stretchy material. And it's one shoulder, light blue with black and white dots, which are flowers, I believe. And I love it. It looks amazing. We cannot have enough tank top. And this is another tank top, white tank top. And it's really nice. It's 100% cotton. Well, no, it says 95% cotton and 5% elastin. So it has a stretch to it. So beautiful and so sexy. Like you see this details right here, the ruffle on the top. This is also from Princess Polly. This is like a silk mini dress, which is staple in my wardrobe, in my opinion. There is a black one like this, which I'm really regretting why I didn't buy it. So I'm probably gonna buy this in a black. How cute! Like you have to obviously steam it, but it's like goes up to here, mini kind of dress with like high knee or just high boots. I would go with high white boots and like as a square kind of boots, which are very trendy right now. And with lots of jewelry, you can like pull the sleeves up or just down. And it's so nice. Last but not least, this one, I already wore it. I needed some new dress to wear it for one of my photo shoot. And this was really nice. I really like this. This is like a very light pink and really nice material. And it's kind of like you have an apron on you, but it's still so pretty and ruffly and beautiful. And I needed to steam it when I got it, so. And now it looks like that again after I wore it. Oh yeah, I think right now it completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved everything I got from Princess Polly, so I highly recommend it for you guys if you want to check them out. And I will leave, if I have any code for you guys, I will leave it in the description box below. But yeah, that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next and what from the pieces do you think you should get. So I'm gonna see you on my